going to the Eremo di Santa Giustina. So it's a hermitage. There used to be a hermit who lived down there. There's only ruins for the hermitage, but it's still a really, really cool site down on the base of the river. And part of what you're also going to see is the big dam that brings electricity to our valley. At one point, this was the tallest dam in all of Europe. So come join us.
We begin our walk through the apple farms. It takes about 30 minutes to get to the hermitage, although we normally take a little bit more just to admire the scenery.
Well, going down is not the problem. Going back up.
The Hermitage of Santa Giustina occupies a natural cave on the east wall of the canyon. The glance is truly impressive. The ancient stone walls of the now crumbling building blend in with the rocky walls. The origin is very ancient, although there is no certain information of its existence before the 16th century. However, if you want to give credit to the legend, the place would have been inhabited since the 10th century. It was a destination of individual pilgrimages and processions. The hermitage was abandoned during the 18th century until it fell into ruins.
We came from Durmulo, the town up above on the east bank of the river, and we came down this path. It actually goes across the Fiume Noce, the Noce River, and it goes up to Secondo.
The earliest mention of this church dates to 1537, but historians know that it's a lot older than that.
This road has been used since before the Roman times. If you go watch our video on Lago di Santa Giustina, there is a submerged Roman bridge inside of that lake, and this road is actually even older than the bridge that's inside of the lake that was used in Roman times.
The Santa Giustina Gorge is also a Trentino Natural Reserve, a protected oasis that safeguards the flora, vegetation, and fauna of this particular environment. Hi folks, if you liked this video, please click like below. You give us a tremendous support by doing this. And please leave a comment. We do appreciate your feedback. Thanks again.